Your home is your castle. It's where you create and raise your family. It's also a place of many hidden dangers. Today on Delmarva Life, we're going to take a closer look at the invisible gases making you sick, in some cases even causing deaths, and how you detect it if they're in your home.
You may have a few of these in your home and not even know it. Valuable coins. Some can even be worth thousands. We give you a reason to double check your pockets to see if that jingle could bring you some jangle in your bank account.
Well, speaking of your bank account, do you have accounts for your kids? If they had to, would they know how to write a check, balance the checkbook, or online account? You know what the stock market is? Well, today we're going to tell you how you can make sure that your children are blue chip kids.
Plus, this little girl is already on her way. This is 9-year-old Sophia, and she wants equality when it comes to money, but not in the way you may think. We tell you what she wants changed and just how far her request has gone.
It's Thursday, so I'm requesting a recipe. Turns out, I'm getting 3. Coming up, we're in the Delmarva Life kitchen whipping up 3 healthy dishes.
And once your belly is full, you can plan what you're going to watch tonight when you have your bedtime snack. How about CSI Cyber? Oscar winner Patricia Arquette tells us the inspiration behind this new CBS hit. Delmarva Life starts right now. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Lisa Bryant.
I'm Jimmy Hopple. Welcome to Delmarva Life from historic Studio D.
All right, we're going to start the show with a warning, another scam warning. The Delaware Electric Co-op is warning members of actually a couple of scams. Now, one member reported getting a call this week about rising electricity rates, which could be avoided by pressing 1 on the phone. Now, no number appeared on the woman's caller ID, so she hung up. Good thing. Another member said he was approached by a man who said he could install an energy-saving device on his meter, which would cost him $500. The co-op is coming out and saying these are scams, and in fact, installing a device on a Delaware Electric cooperative meter is illegal and dangerous. Now, the co-op says there have been other recent scams as well. So if you get a call and you think it's suspicious, if you're contacted by someone claiming to be with the co-op and you're not sure, just give them a call. This is the number, 855-332-9090. Better safe than sorry.
Be careful, be smart. Have you heard about the Mighty Spartan? Let me tell you about the Mighty Spartan. This is fascinating. Made it to the coast of Ireland. This is Sean Craven pulling the Mighty Spartan up onto the beach there in Ireland. This is a project from 5th graders at Lake Forest Central Elementary School in Dover to explore the high seas powered only by the ocean and wind currents. This 5-foot boat was launched off the coast of Bermuda. The students used the boat's journey to study temperature, weather, ocean currents, even marine biology. And now Sean Craven there, who discovered the Mighty Spartan, is going to be taking it to his 10-year-old son's school as requested by a letter that the kids put in the boat.
That is so
Isn't that great?
Cool. I tell you what, high school kids are so amazing.
Yes, they are.
Let's just go back. Who could forget this? Take a look.
I would like to forget it.
Jimmy getting pelted by a frisbee thrown by a robot. This is the Worcester Beach Bots from Stephen Decatur High School. Why do I bring this up?
Yeah, why do you bring this up?
Another Worcester robotics team, Team Titanium Rex, is headed to the first Robotics World Championship in St. Louis. We want to wish them a Delmarva Life good luck.
Yes, best to you. Don't bring any frisbees. You know, we keep talking about the obvious signs for spring. We missed one.
Oh, really?
Car shows.
Oh.
The first show of the Kent Island Cruisers Car Club 2015 season is next Saturday. It's going to benefit Compass Regional Hospice. The first 60 registrants get a dash plaque and trophies will be awarded. The car show is going to be at 152 Comet Drive. Registration at 9 o'clock. Show opens at 10 o'clock. If you'd like to register your car, it's $10. Spectators get in for free, and you get to vote on your favorites to see who wins the trophies.
Oh, I love car shows. Maybe you're more interested in Arts and Crabs this weekend.
Arts and what?
Arts and Crabs.
Oh.
It's a fundraiser to benefit cancer research. They're going to have music from Caleb Brown and Bad Since Breakfast, guest bartenders, a silent auction to win beautiful art, and so much more. Arts and Crabs is Sunday from noon to 4 p.m. at the Crab Cake Factory in Bayside in Fenwick Island.
That sounds like fun. Now, you know that I'm a volunteer firefighter and a chaplain, and I absolutely love it with the Laurel Fire Department. Maryland has the recruitment initiative this weekend, and you can find out more. Fire, rescue, and emergency medical services departments are going to open their doors so that you can learn about what it takes to be a volunteer emergency responder. This is some video from a recent training that we did.
Yeah.
Over the last, I guess, several years, it's been very difficult for a lot of volunteer fire and EMS departments throughout Maryland to recruit and retain volunteers. By joining, you not only get the chance to truly make a difference in your community, if nothing else, it will increase your respect for exactly what they do.
Wow. And
See your
we
local
thank
department.
you for what you do.
My pleasure. Thank you.
And speaking of appreciation, the 2015 Talbot County Business Appreciation and Awards Breakfast is coming up in just a couple of weeks. R. Michael Gill, Secretary of the Maryland Department of Business and Economic Development, will be the keynote speaker. The breakfast will recognize businesses for innovation, investment, and expansion and honor Talbot County businesses celebrating 50 years. For more information, call Michelle Hall at 410-770-6811.
Yeah, good time. We all try to teach our dogs to not run outside when the front door just pops open. Sometimes we actually accomplish our mission, even when there is no screen or glass in the door. Fido still stays inside.
Just isn't right.
You try to encourage him to just run right through it. Yeah, no go. This poor dog cannot figure out what's wrong with this human, so let's show him one more time. Ba-doop.
Nope.
Well, finally, there's only one way to go, and with the door open, he can come outside and play.
I love it. Well, maybe you're the one who's confused when it comes to money matters, or your teenager. Still ahead on Delmarva Life, we learn about how to teach your kids about money effectively and early. We also learn about a tool you can use to help not only your kids better understand, but you too.
One little girl understands well beyond her years. Later on, you're going to hear the story of a 9-year-old named Sophia. She wrote into President Barack Obama asking for change when it comes to money. Still ahead, you're going to hear what she wants done.
But first, we learn about what needs to be done when it comes to protecting your family from hidden dangers in the home. After the break, we learn about radon readiness. Angie Hicks from Angie's List gives us a few tips for poison precaution.
Plus, we talk carbon monoxide poisoning, how you can tell if the invisible gas is posing a danger in your home. Delmarva Life will be right back.
Delmarva Life is brought to you by Sussex County Federal Credit Union, guiding you to your financial future. Peninsula Regional Medical Center, honored to serve the entire Delmarva Peninsula since 1897. Your local York and LG dealers, and State Farm Insurance. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.